Does upgrading my air filter produce better performance or more horsepower or more gas efficiency? Well, yeah, it actually does. For instance, the air filter that comes with the Can-Am is kind of like an N95 air filter. Remember back in the day during COVID, you had to wear these crazy looking masks that you couldn't breathe out of because the steam was getting in your eyeballs? Just like if you were wearing an N95 mask and you start running, you had to suck in more air to maintain stamina. Same thing with your Ryker. So what I suggest is this guy right here. This is a Can-Am air filter, and it's kind of more like the other type of mask that we started wearing toward the end of COVID, where it allows you to breathe, not steam up your glasses, and you can still perform at higher speeds as if you didn't wear a mask at all. The goal is to actually get as much air into your body, just like you want to get into this engine so it can perform better. So I highly recommend swap out these filters. These filters, less than 60 bucks each. And with that, it will definitely give your vehicle definitely more performance, more horsepower, and believe it or not, at cruise speed, it will actually save less gas. So the cooler and the more airflow that goes into that engine, the better your bike will perform.